बेळगाव जिल्हा न्यायालयात नव्याने उभारण्यात आलेल्या समुदाय भवनाचे उद्घाटन करण्यात आले। मुक्त न्यायालयासारखे नवशिका वकिलांसाठी दुसरे कोणतेही चांगले शिक्षण माध्यम नाही, असे प्रतिपादन उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायमूर्ती रामचंद्र हुद्दार यांनी केले। बेळगाव जिल्हा न्याय व्यवस्था, सार्वजनिक बांधकाम विभाग आणि वकील संघाच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने जिल्हा न्यायालयात नव्या समुदाय भवनाचे उद्घाटन, प्रशासकीय इमारत व कॅन्टीनच्या बांधकामासाठी भूमिपूजन सोहळा पार पडला।
Sit in the open court right from 11 to 5:40 p.m. Open court is the best guide for all the junior lawyers. No senior will teach, so that have to be kept in mind. As Belgaum has got a name of a training center for judicial officers, the officers who are working here have to strive hard, have to learn, because in Belgaum, in proper Belgaum, we find varieties of civil litigations, varieties of criminal litigations. In Mofussil areas, we find only limited civil suits like partition suits, injunction suits, etc. So the junior lawyers have to learn to sit in the open court, learn something. You are all the junior lawyers are the future judiciary. If junior lawyers are not learning, then we don't have any good judiciary. Now it has so happened in our one of the benches, it so happened before the division bench. When the case was called, one lawyer come running. He submitted to the division bench, pass over, sir. Then the division bench passed over that case, asked the junior lawyer who has submitted pass over, how many years have you put in practice? Then the junior lawyer says, 3 months, sir. After half an hour, he brought his senior. When he brought his senior, he was also quite young boy. How many years of practice you have put in the division bench asked? Then that lawyer says, 6 months, sir. So if for a senior of 6 months, he has got a junior of 3 months. Within 6 months, what he has learned, we don't know. It is real history what has happened in one of our bench, I am telling.
या प्रसंगी आमदार आसिफ सेठ यांनी सांगितले की नवीन इमारतीच्या गरजेसंदर्भात मागणी होताच तत्काळ निधी मंजूर करण्यात आला। बेळगाव न्यायालय व बार असोसिएशनसाठी अनुकूल वातावरण निर्माण करण्यात आले आहे।
Madhugal madam has given a deadline of 12 o'clock. I still have got 2 minutes left. I will take 2 minutes. Not much of that time. Not much. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Bar Association members on the inauguration of the second floor of the building and also on the foundation laying stone of the canteen. Like His Lordship Ramchandra Sahab was saying, we should have a vision of 100 years. I would like to say, sir, that my district minister and PWD minister, Shri Satish Chandra Jarkiwali Sahab, he has got a vision. And every time we used to come here, he used to say, this is not there, we will do this, this is not there, we will do this. And immediately he has sanctioned the amount, made the grants, and I'm sure that construction of the building will start soon and we will complete it also soon. To my learned friends, I would like to say one thing. From our district, we have all got all these luminaries. When they have worked hard and reached here, you can also reach to these places if you work hard. Sir, we have in our Belgaum courts, in our Bar Association, we have got high intellectuals We have got very highly learned persons who work very hard. The exposure in Bangalore and Pune and Mumbai might be much more. Lawyers are exposed to so many things. And they are known, their names come on TV and all, and everything. But here I would like to proudly say that my friends from the Belgaum Bar Association, they are also highly intellectual, they also work hard, and they get the right exposure. They will also go much more ahead. I would especially like to speak about Her Lordship, Mrs. Hemalekha Madam. When she was speaking, and she was speaking about the corridors of the courts of Belgaum city, of the streets she would go in, I felt a pride moment in my heart. Thank you very much, ma'am, for making us all so proud, and I think all my friends here would have felt the same. We all feel the same, and when somebody from our city and our district, like we all have all of here, when you reach ahead, we all do, and that pride comes from inside us. The justice system, the judiciary, I would say, is upholding democracy and secularism today. You are the people that will bind the country. You are the people that will uphold the democratic values of this country. You are the people who will be showing what secularism is. And I thank the judiciary for this. And not but the least, I would like to say that if anybody comes to us, if it's a criminal act that has taken place, we send him to the police. If it is a civil matter, we send them to our brother lawyers. It is a judiciary that takes care of the legal system. You all are all there for us, and we thank you for that. And my dear friend, Mr. President of the Bar Association, Mr. Kitsanawar, I do not know why he is always behind my MLA funds. When I go to the Shivalaya, he says, I need money for the Shivalaya, give me funds here from your MLA fund. If I come here, he says, do this, but when it is all for a good cause, I promise you that whatever funds are required for the furniture and the system that is required here, it will be done, and very happily it will be done. Thank you very much for inviting me here. Thank you.
उच्च न्यायालयाचे न्यायमूर्ती विजयकुमार पाटील म्हणाले की सध्या तरुण वर्ग मोठ्या प्रमाणात कायद्याचे शिक्षण घेत आहे.
Deterioration in the quality of the profession. Quantity is grown like anything, it is not in our hand. Law colleges are there. By opting this as a profession, you are joining the law course. Welcoming approach. Earlier it was not the option. Option were somewhere else. Medicine was the option, engineering was the option, another XY was the option. Then last option was the advocacy. Nowadays youngsters, as a choice they are choosing this profession. When you have chosen this as a career option, can you show a lethargy in the profession is one question you need to introspect when you join the profession. Samudaya Bhavan is one of the best buildings I have seen. In Bangalore also we have an Advocates Association. What purpose this is created? President has shown this is my chamber, this is meeting hall, this is a recreational, that is a welcoming mode. Definitely recreations are must for the lawyers. But also I request one of the room you please designate as a lawyers academy and conduct every alternate week one lecture on one subject. I request all our judicial officers to come and deliver one lecture on that topic. Maybe framing of charges, Even our judicial officers in the process learn, lawyers also learn. What to argue at the time of discharge? They argue like as if it is a case after conviction they start arguing. They will understand the scope of argument. So your submissions in the court will become precise and quality. Bring best of the judicial officers or the senior lawyers. Senior members are there. I don't know their name personally. Request them. Take the photocopies of the plaints and written statement drafted by them. Make into copies and keep in the academy. Let the young members of the bar make use of that. Young members of the bar are copying from the computer and pasting it. What is the purpose behind taking this kind of a defense in the written statement should be known to them so that they will come to you. And it is not that one message what the Huddar Sahib has already told. In addition to that, you join ex-member of the bar as a senior, but other seniors are also seniors in the bar. You please go to them. They have their expertise. They have put their 30, 40, 50 years of practice in the field. Take their assistance. Definitely they will not say no.
न्यायमूर्ती रामचंद्र उद्दार म्हणाले की मुक्त न्यायालय हे नवशिका वकिलांसाठी सर्वोत्तम शिक्षणाचे माध्यम आहे. यावेळी न्यायमूर्ती के.एस. हेमलेका यांनी सांगितले की आपण आज जे काही आहोत त्याला बेळगावमध्ये केलेल्या सरावाचा मोठा वाटा आहे.
Personally and also professionally, my early practice also started here, and many of the seniors also know that I was practicing here, and they have nurtured me to what I am today. So big thanks to this Belgavi, and I take it as a pride and privilege to be part of this opening of this Samudaya Bhavan and the administrative building and the foundation laying stone of this canteen. So I would only like to say that today is also a reminder that no matter so far you take or wherever you reach, your hearts remain anchored to your beginnings. And I'm grateful to the entire association of the Belgavi Bar for making me part of this ceremonial occasion. Thank you so much. And let us not forget that this opening of the building is not just a construction. It is about building trust, empowering communities, and preserving our shared identity even as we embrace the change. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone involved in the planning, designing, and execution of these projects. Thank you all from my bottom of my heart. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮನಗಳು.
या कार्यक्रमात बार असोसिएशनचे सदस्य व इतर मान्यवरही मोठ्या संख्येने उपस्थित होते. संकल्प शिंदे, KMM मराठी, बेळगाव.